Let me show you another one of the clay murals here in the historic trail of the port of Ribadesella. Here it's talking about prehistory. You can see Stone Age people have lived here for 15, 20, 30,000 years. Here are some of the images representing that, going in canoes, very simple canoes. And La Cueva de Tito Bustillo is actually just across the river, and there are all sorts of images represented, including horses, reindeer, which is interesting because reindeer was living here maybe 15,000 years ago, because this was just after the last glaciation period. And the caves, the prehistoric caves, are actually over on that side in that hill. Everything here is limestone mountains. So limestone is very porous and obviously has many caves. Young ladies are taking a lovely walk here. Kayakers. Great beach and a lovely little town here in Ribadesella.